Hello everyone, my name is Cindy and I'm a Patron Services Associate here at Paul Sorer, and today I just wanted to give you a brief overview of our online catalog. Okay, so if you ever wanted to figure out how to search our catalog and see what we offer, this is the video for you. First off, you're going to go to our website, which is pspl.org. And once you get there, this is our current home screen. If you're looking for the catalog, the best place to go is right up here to this little box that says search the catalog and has the search button on it. And when you do that, you can type in anything that you want, whether it's a subject or an author or a title. So for example, if I'm looking for James Patterson books, all I have to do is type in James Patterson and either hit enter on my keyboard or click on the search button. That's when your results come in. We have a lot of different filtering options available for you that I really encourage you to take some time to go through and see how those work for you. But I'm just going to show you a few of the basic ones to get you started. Now first off, right here in the middle we have all of our search results for James Patterson. But when I typed in James Patterson, I wasn't being very specific. So we have some items that have the word James Patterson in the title. We have some that have James Patterson as the author. We have some James Patterson books that aren't even by James Patterson. So at this point, you need to take a little bit of time to figure out what it is that you want. And then you need to use our filtering options over here on the left-hand side. We have quite a few of them. There's format, new titles, author, Lexile level, series, collection. There's just a bunch of them. So you can use these filters to determine exactly what it is you want. For example, if you want to make sure that you're actually getting books by James Patterson, you're going to click on this little arrow next to author, and then you're going to click on James Patterson. We don't want any of these. We want James Patterson. And now the results are going to show us things that are actually by James Patterson, instead of things that have James Patterson's name in them. Let's say that you also want to make sure that you're getting James Patterson books that are for adults. He actually has written some juvenile books, and you don't want those. You want books that are supposed to be for adults. So you're going to go to collection, and you're going to click on adult fiction. And now the results are going to be his books for adults. But you also want to look and find out which James Patterson books he's published the most recently. He publishes a lot, and you don't want the old stuff. You want the new stuff. And that's where we're going to go to here, this little drop-down box. Right now, at default, we have sort by relevance. But if you click on it, you can see that you can also sort by newly added, so what we just put into the library, publication date, borrower rating, and a couple other things. But we're going to click on publication date, and now I filtered by the author, James Patterson, adult fiction, and we have his most recent book first. So it says 2019, and as we scroll down, eventually we're going to get to 2018, 17, and so on by clicking the next button at the bottom of the screen. So there's 18, and so on. And I'm going to hit previous to go back. Now, there are a lot of other ways that you can search our catalog. You can also look for series, so maybe you really want the Alex Cross books or the Detective Harriet Blue books. And whenever you click on those filters are going to make sure that you only see what it is you want to see. But you don't have to just search for author. You can also search for subject, like romance. And so I wrote down the word romance, and these are going to generally be things with the word romance somewhere in their description or title. But if I go here to subject and click show more, and I can keep clicking show more until I find what I'm looking for. What I really want are Amish romance. So I'm going to click on Amish. And now these are going to be ones that are Amish romance. If there's a particular title or a particular author, I can start looking for different authors like Cindy Woodsmall, or I can just look by format. Maybe I want a book or large print. I can sort by newly added publication date. Like I said earlier, there are a ton of different options for you if you want to filter. And I just really encourage you to start looking around our catalog a little bit more and using these filtering options. Because honestly, if you just try to just type in any word or do a browser or something, or look at what we suggest for you, it can get overwhelming. So I really do encourage you to take a few minutes and go through our catalog and look at some of the filtering options and spend a little time on it. I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised by how easy it is after just a little bit of practice, and how much easier it's going to be for you to find the item that you want to find. If you have any questions, though, you can always give us a call or an email, or use our chat feature when that's open, and ask us for help, and we'd be totally happy to help you. We just want to make sure that you're getting the materials that you want to get. So thank you for looking into this really brief, for watching this really brief video on our online catalog, and I hope you have a great day. So, bye-bye.